yingse akhoi next topic si electric dipole livni. An electric dipole is a pair of equivalent opposite point charges qn minus q separated by a distance twice a. Ani layer ni the q havamga minus q havamga, they are separated by a distance twice a. Twice a logi maram je makada khankani koi sinhaibdi equal di oiba charge aduga magi kanya polarity di opposite oiba adunani pair of equal and opposite haise. And the line connecting the two charges defines a direction in space. By convention, the direction from minus q to q is said to be in the direction of the dipole. Dipole is the direction of height minus tagi plus rom. That is my direction is on plus rom. The midpoint of locations of minus q and q is called the center of the dipole. Sigi maya is in center of the dipole and high. The total charge of the electric dipole is obviously zero. And is it is now the masana zero data equivalent opposite or nina. Adubu makadari is this does not mean that the field of the electric dipole is zero. Electric field moine puthorak to the zero na tape. Sigi matang the ne koi yengdoi sigi detail in a makas de tame tamuma tamsida electric field of an electric dipole is in a makanani thong at the makani evacoin. Sigi dipole zigi along the axis the poinamaloba, then magi maya is the equatorial plane garaga high the lobagi adu makada diagram yaga yengsi adudane fazena khangdoini. The electric field of the pair charges minus q and q at point in space can be found out from Coulomb's law and the superposition principle. Electric field moy anigi electric field do kamay putok yani Coulomb's law palaga then superposition palaga. The results are simple for the following two cases. Case ani ne koi khanar to yemo ahambagi sida when the point is on the dipole axis. Dipole axis have the sida plus q the minus q laden khalo magi sigi lines le later gadi anywhere si lines dabu later gadi dipole axis da labor ko doina. Next na kamay tawre next is na when it is in the equatorial plane of the dipole. Sigi maya is da akoi plane na thamtar gadi some plane thamtar gadi mabu akoi equatorial plane hai ni sigi plane anywhere ta lepo matam sida idore dipole sina puthok electric field do koina puthok na bona doina on a plane perpendicular to the dipole axis to its center haise. The electric field at any general point P is obtained by adding the electric fields minus q e minus q due to charge minus q and plus eq due to charge plus q minus q sina puthok e minus q thole q sina puthok plus eq na thole moigi add to we ani have ni moy puthora Bilogram law of vectorization palaga. This is the line up matam chang na ba yakthokpani sigi makha jida leidiba diagram sini samana bani the ye isi kamai tawriyamo. Let the point P be at a distance r from the center of the dipole on the side of charge q. Stage da machu one ge ko je kai de machu one lu ya yengsi yengo sida sidagi sibukse sigisina dipole ne plus q haibam leire minus q haibam su leire dipole ki direction jina somna consider wire p z represents the dipole magi distance na twice a ne na lawre koina dagi sibuksi twice a ne na lawre kamai to yengsi let a point p be at a distance r from the center of the dipole. Center of the dipole is the line si mayai sida si mayai sidagi low matam sida sibuk lo point p se khanare so ki mayai du point p ki distance r o hele ko koina aduga kamai da gengsi as on in the figure ma makha ki figure jini chapmana na leiram doini p sida leire magi dipole je plus q haibunga minus q haibunga leizare r sina kana ki distance center of the dipole to point p si pawda negi dogi engsiango then e minus q haib the electric field due to minus q sina maram oiraga haibni adu itaraga dingo electric field gi formula di 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square c formula sine c is the kidore minus q ki khana banina sida minus lae adugi minus to ni sida yawis then r is na high matamda distance from this q sidagi p buki distance ne sidagi c book sine sidagi horaga sibuksina r leizare lem horiba wat horiba kharasina a se oidune duna haibdi r se kai tare r plus a se ta doine aduna nengu seisida r square gi mahutta r plus a whole square ni reise electric field minus ki di direction je kadom do oire somna kanjida then mathang is in a where p vector to p vector is a unit vector along the dipole axis from minus q to q dipole gi unit vector ne na lawre kino gi direction jidi p ki direction jidi somna kandani opposite ki e gina on opposite side si minus na so tak to ni my direction je opposite to that of p nena then mathang de yengsi plus q gi di kamai tawre plus q gi arap di kamai tawge matamda sigi p jidagi sigi q sibuk tangne aduna haibdi r dagi kai khaidokani e khaidokani aduni sejida lerise kenari se sigakani sejida di minus sign jom yaudre because positive charge ki khanabagi si ni se leitar ga di total je koi puthokpe yarni total is but the addition superposition pale addition tawre bi jam addition taw matam jide yengo plus q gina 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus a square ni si minus q sina 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q minus q divided by r plus a square ne common log yari se q by 4 pi epsilon naught si common log the lem hori se si se le jare song de na si se le si minus sina maya de le sina then kidog have matam jide yangu mathanda see just simple algebra ne coincident do see a square minus b square formula lakani musi LCM lo matam jida r minus a square times natraga khara fazane irakke makha se hola age 1 by r minus a square minus 1 by r plus a whole square happening. Stage then squares the natte knife the LCM low matamda r minus a square r plus a square and lecture. Then so nakan the r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square la ani sadora ko matamda di r square plus twice ra plus a square minus r square minus twice ra plus a square nebla is divided by sig formula is a square minus b square की type ले आ रहे minus a square squared. maybe the sig formula is a minus b a plus b have the a square minus b squared iya abdo adigi mong duni sidagi di kana r square se kathan agrani then a square se kathan agrani sigi minus na le minus na on hala ga ma se positive doi tar di minus positive larni matak ta le hau doi je 4 ar divided by r square minus a square whole square se ta ni simak me bata ise leji da adagi ke dora if r is yam char sigi distance of separation is and distance of sigi point p is yam lamna leitar id a dagi sigi magi distance sigi dagi yam chaw bi hen tar ga di ke dora akoi a is ignored over yarni a can be ignored si a is ignored of tar ga di mu lem ho bi se q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 ar divided by r to the power 4 kakhat nagra matumda r cube ana le hore makha sida leji r cube le hore mathakta 4 qa le hore bi smain e bi ai sigi jesu amu dipole in terms of p da irak pasu yabani aduna makha da yaramgani makha da yengsi aduna yemus dejina leiba formula se sigi se kamaina e ya ge matamda in terms of dipole da su e bi ar to ni sida yengu dipole habdi p is equal to twice a cube twice a is in a distance of separation between the charges to me this is one of the charges to never aduna kamai do ga matamda sigi se e equal to twice q a and e b ani by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube bana loitar di sigi sina p and e give twice p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube e r in terms of vector masi pk by the along the direction of the dipole minus the plus from the som nakan jida e be ani habni da adu amaso yengsi go munna yenghau ko sigi se sida positive leire sida negative leire samana point sida sigi point sida positive tagi di yamna na e aduna electric field je yana fange aduna ne sida e plus q gi di khara sang iri je negative ki di ke dora khara lapam ni na ma ki electric field intensity je khara handarani yengda su dum khangni khara yambam ga khara yamdabam ga opposite lainare khaidu ko matamda ayamba sinadum hengani akoi resultant ki direction z will be along the direction for electric field with plus q gi se oidoine aduga chamana dre mu dipole koi gi magi direction jiga adunani seida p cap na laise is minus kumbam yorama ba aduna tak do it is in the opposite of p cap in vector the opposite tane na khangadoi